The given problem is a survey was conducted by a group of students as a part of their environment awareness program, in which they collected the following data regarding the number of plants in 20 houses in a locality. Find the mean number of plants per house. Here they have given the tabular form as such: number of plants in the grouped data form and number of houses in the frequency model. Which method did you use for finding the mean and why? Let's move on to the solution. They have asked us to find the mean. Let's define mean. What is the mean? The mean, as we know, is the sum of the values of all the observations divided by the total number of observations. Let's think x1, x2 and so on are observations with respect to frequencies f1, f2 and so on. Hence, the sum of the values of all observations will be x times frequency 1 plus x2 into f2 and so on. Hence, as per the definition of mean, it is indicated as x bar, and the formula is sigma fx by sigma f, where in general we write here mean x bar is the sum of x1 f1 plus x2 f2 and so on by f1 plus f2 plus f3 and so on. Let's move to next slide. Here, as we got x bar is equal to f1 x1 plus f2 x2 and so on by f1 plus f2 and so on, we can write it as x bar is equal to sigma fi xi, where I varies from 1 to n, by sigma fi. Here also I varies from 1 to n. Hence, in general notation we write it as x bar is equal to sigma fx by sigma f. Hence, mean is defined as the sum of all the observations by total number of observations. Now we move on to the problem. The tabular form given here is the number of plants as the grouped data and number of houses as frequencies. Let's note down this into the tabular form. Number of plants as grouped data, number of houses. Here for number of plants they have given 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10, 10 to 12 and 12 to 14. And the number of houses, which we have known as frequencies, they were 1, 2, 1, 5, 6, 2 and 3. Here they were given as grouped data. These numbers are known as lower limit and these numbers are known as upper limit. Here we have to find xi, that is class mark. Class mark is defined as half of the sum of upper limit and lower limit. That is, upper upper limit plus lower limit by 2. Hence, through this formula, we write class marks. That is, for 0 plus 2 by 2 is 1. 2 plus 4 by 2, that is 6 by 2 is 3. 4 plus 6 by 2, that is 10 by 2 is 5. And similarly, we write for all, that is 7, 9, 10 plus 12 by 2, it is 11. And here 12 plus 14 by 2, it is 13. As we know frequency Fi and class mark Xi, now we find the product Fi Xi. That is 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into 3 6, 1 into 5 5, 5 into 7 35, 6 into 9 54, 2 into 11 it's 22, and 3 into 13 it's 39. Now we should find sigma Fi is equal to all the sum of frequencies, that is 20, and sigma Fi Xi, the sum of all Fi Xi, it is 162. Here, as we have the values of sigma Fi and sigma Fi Xi, we shall know the mean. The formula for mean, as we have known, is x bar is sigma Fi Xi. We shall substitute the given numbers in those and we get the mean. Hence, x bar is equal to sigma Fx by sigma F, that is 162 by 20, it is 8.1. The mean number of plants is equal to 8.1. And they have also asked in the question that which method did you use for finding the mean and why? We have used direct method to solve this problem because the values, that is frequency and the class marks, were small and they were easy for calculations.